The Legrand 42-inch media enclosure has been a fantastic addition to my home setup. As someone who loves to keep things organized and streamlined, this enclosure has been a game changer for managing all the cables, routers, and networking equipment that I use to clutter my space. What I really appreciate about this enclosure is how spacious it is. The 42-inch size gives me plenty of room to neatly arrange everything from my modem and router to various cables and other media devices. The build quality is solid, which gives me confidence that it will protect my equipment for years to come. One of the best things about this enclosure is the peace of mind it brings. Knowing that all my media and networking gear is securely housed and well organized takes away a lot of stress when setting up or troubleshooting my tech. If you're like me and appreciate a clean, organized space, the Legrand 42-inch media enclosure is definitely worth considering. It's made my tech life a whole lot easier.